How do you do keyword research without actually using an SEO tool? Well, we have a lot of different options at our disposal, but the most important way to do it is actually looking at Google themselves for answers, looking at the search results for any given term you want to rank for. Google gives us the formula that we need to rank for this page just by looking at how this page is structured. So let's keep going down. For example, we can even see here that Runner's World, they're one of the very first organic rankings. So this is, of course, all ads based here. So it's so crazy, but Google gives us all this information, discussions and forums. We can literally go look at what people are actually talking about. And if we answer those questions on our website, it will perform very, very, very well. And then finally, my favorite section, people also ask, this are the legitimate questions, the literal questions that people are putting in Google to help them understand what they want to buy and how to basically buy the product in order to ultimately buy their running shoes. So if for the term, and this is on almost every search result, that this people also ask section, but for the term running shoes, we can look at all these major questions people are basically having to get answers to before they ultimately make a purchase. Google is trying to predict what your next question is going to be. And they do that by looking at all their data. And then they show you that to hope to help you answer that. And by us putting these exact questions on your page, this is what's going to help you rank so fast. It's incredible.